In the wilderness, King Solomon observed the wisdom of the chameleon, a creature that changes its colors to blend with its surroundings, avoiding predators. This inspired Solomon to reflect on the importance of adaptability and wisdom in life. Just as the chameleon uses its God-given ability to survive, Solomon taught that humans must use their wisdom to navigate life's challenges. This biblical lesson reminds us that true wisdom lies in understanding our environment and adapting to it. Much like the chameleon, embrace wisdom and adaptability to thrive in life's ever-changing landscape.